So any questions, any doubts, please? Any questions, any doubts, any challenges?
This side, Sanjeev.
Yeah, Sanjeev, tell me.
Sir, my laptop configuration is 8 GB RAM
Okay, fine.
and one TV hard disk. So I want to install the virtual box and create the VM machine. So my
Okay.
laptop will be slow, not responding.
Sanjeev, your voice is completely
So
breaking,
because you are
Sanjeev.
increase the RAM.
Your voice is
Okay.
completely breaking. So if you can ask the same question in the chat, that will be helpful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Any other questions, guys? How many of you started practicing? How many of you started practicing? Please raise your hands. How many of you started practicing, guys? At least installation of, okay, Oracle Virtual Box and installation of Windows Server. Okay. You all people completed practice, right? Let me take a snap. I'll give you one reward point, those who completed the practice first. Okay. Let me take the screenshot of your responses. For Pravina, Balavenkatesh, Yatish, Ravi Chaudhary, Ravindra, Lata Shankaran, Madhavi. You all will get one reward point. Okay. I'll update the sheet after the class. I just took a snap of it. I'll update the sheet after the class. Sanjeev, Ashok.
Hello, sir. I have a doubt.
Okay, tell me.
Actually, after I installed the like Windows 12 in
Okay.
2012 into the like Oracle software visualization, like I powered it off actually. So after I started reconnecting again, like it's asked me to install again actually. So we need to power it off, or we need to just shut it down, like say
I'll
it's
tell
the
you.
saved
The
memory.
proper way is not saved memory. You have to shut down the server. Okay, not power off,
Okay.
not saved memory. Saved memory. You have to shut down the server. You have to log into the server. You have to shut down the server. I'll tell you now, but
Okay.
I don't think if you power off also, it don't okay create any issues. Next time it will happily.
Yeah.
Yes, might be again. It is reading the OS. That is the only thing. You can remove the
Yeah.
OS file.
And
You can remove ISO
yeah, I
image.
removed it.
Uh,
So 350 of 350 MB is stored in other session, and remain 24.7 GB. It asked me to install. So I just deleted the first file and
okay.
again I reinstalled it. Is it fine?
Okay. I'm not sure. I have to check it once. No need to delete anything. Okay. Just simply you have
Okay.
to power it off. That's it. While closing the machine, you
Okay.
will get three options: save memory state. Second option, third
Yeah.
option is power off the machine. Okay. You have to simply click
Okay.
on power off the machine.
Oh, okay. I just
Naresh,
did
I
that,
don't
but
have it.
again it asked me to reinstall again. So
Sometimes it might ask, but in that situation, you can directly remove that OS ISO file. Okay, just
yeah,
OS
I did the
ISO
same
file.
thing. Yeah.
Okay, okay, done. Okay, no problem. Next time,
Okay.
okay, if something happened, just shut down the machine. I'll show you how to shut down it. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, downloaded the VirtualBox only, Lata. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. Lata Shankaran, you just downloaded the virtual machine, VirtualBox software. You haven't completed this one installation or
Yes.
okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. Uh, Let me unmark you. Okay. I'll take care of it. No issues, Lata. So, guys, those who raised your hands, Pravina, Balavenkatesh, Yatish, Ravindra, Madhavi, Sanjeev, Ashok. These people are already installed Oracle VirtualBox
Sir,
and installed VM also, right? Correct? Is
Yes,
that
sir.
correct? Everyone
Sir.
installed, yes, 1 minute, sorry. Everyone installed Windows operating system also,
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
sir.
right? All
Sir.
those who raised the hands. If not, just please lower your hands, sir. If not, lower your hands. Those who installed Oracle VM and install Windows operating system in that, please raise your hands. Those who downloaded, don't raise the hands. Those who completed the practice till yesterday, till Friday, please raise the hands. Those who completed the practice till Friday, please raise your hands. Okay, I'll take the snip of it because I have to add one reward point for all of you.
Sir, I also
Yes,
completed
sir.
all these
Please
things,
raise
sir.
your hands. Please raise your hands. Please
I
raise
raised
your
a hand, sir, but I'm not able to see my hand on my name.
Okay, done.
I just sent you only.
Okay, no problem. I'll update the sheet accordingly. Okay, that's fine, guys. That means, yeah.
Sir, this is Ankam Rao, sir.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, guys, that's fine. Let me, okay. So guys, if you have any issues, any challenges, okay, you can, first thing is just go through the videos first and foremost thing you have to do is go through the videos first. So still you are having any issue, take a snapshot and you can send it to me. I complete notes since Friday by the uploaded videos. Good, Srikanth, good. It's good, okay. So let me again start the VM machine. So I want to start the VM machine, right? So let me open this Oracle VirtualBox Manager. If I want to start the VM machine, first I have to open the Oracle VirtualBox, guys. So today I'll show you how to connect to the servers remotely. Okay, so what is meant by remote connections? How to connect to the servers remotely. Once our work is done, how to log off from the server. Okay, how to shut down the server. Everything we'll discuss today. Okay, if time permits, we are going to discuss SQL Server installation today. Otherwise, okay, it will take 2 hours to complete. SQL Server installation will take 2 hours to complete. Otherwise, tomorrow by fresh minds, we are going to start the installation, guys. Okay, done. So this is the machine we have created. This is the machine batch 42 we have created, guys. I want to start this machine. How can I start this machine, guys?
Double click.
Right click
Yeah.
on,
Right
Double
click on
click, I
it.
can go for it. Okay.
Or
Double
else you
click.
can right click.
Yes. Right. So let me double click on the machine. Someone started the video. Please stop it. As of now, it doesn't need. Later, I'll ask you to start the videos. Okay. Now, no need to start any videos, sir and madam. Who started the videos? Who started the videos, guys? I'm unable to see. Guys, someone started the video. Please stop it. No issues. Yeah, Fanendra. You started the video. Let me stop it. Okay, done. I just stopped it. Okay. So now I want to turn on the machine, right? So how can I turn on? Double click on it. The shortcut is double click on it. You can turn on the machine. And once the machine is turned on, then only you can connect to the server, guys. Okay. See, for example, if your laptop is shut down, can you access your laptop? Right? You cannot access your laptop, right? If you want to access your laptop, first of all, you have to turn on your laptop. In the same way, if the server is down, if the server is not working, if the server is in stopped state, okay, you cannot connect to the server remotely. Let me mute you all. In case of any questions, you can unmute and you can ask me, guys. Let me mute you all. Done. I just muted you all. In case of any questions, you can ask me after unmuting. And again, if you have question, ask me, unmute it yourself immediately, right? So now I just started the machine. Now I want to connect to this machine. In two ways I can connect to the machine. Listen carefully. In two ways I can connect to the machine, guys. One way is direct connection. Okay, directly I can log into the server. That is one way. Second way is indirect connection. Please mute it. I just muted you all. I am not sure why again who unmuted. Okay. So indirect connection, direct connection, I'll show you how to do that. But in the organization, we don't go for direct connection. We don't have access for direct connection in the organization. Okay. we don't have access for direct connection. In the practice only you can use direct connections. Okay, indirect connections you can also call it as a remote connections. Remote connections are remote desktop, RDP, remote desktop, or RDC, remote desktop connection. Okay, remote desktop or remote desktop connection, RDP or RDC. So this is the actual way of connecting to the servers in the organization, actual way of connecting real time. In the real time will connect using RDP or RDC, guys. Actual way of connecting to the servers in the organization, guys. So today I'll show you how to connect. Okay, how to connect, how to log into the servers using RDP. What is an RDP? How the RDP will work? Once our work is done, what we have to do on the server, whether we have to shut down the server or we have to log off from the server, what we have to do, I'll show you. How to disconnect the server also I'll show you, guys. Okay, so let's close this notifications. Till Friday we discussed it, right? Creating VMs and installing Windows Server, right? So this is what we installed till Friday. I want to log into this machine. If I want to log into this machine, what I have to do, guys? What it is saying? Guys, clearly, yeah, clearly, if you don't understand anything till now, I just created one more laptop, virtual laptop in my physical laptop, guys. I just created one more virtual laptop in my physical laptop. If you don't understand what is the server and all, in your words, in easy words, I just created one more computer in my physical computer. So I have two computers now. This is virtual computer where you can see the black screen. This is virtual computer. This is my laptop, guys. This is my laptop. This is my laptop screen. This is virtual server screen, guys. Okay. So there are two computers in my laptop. One is my physical computer where you can see. Okay. And second one is the black screen. You can see with the date and timestamp. This is my virtual machine. So I'm trying to log into this machine, guys, virtual machine. Okay, the second laptop I'm trying to log in. So how can I do that? It is saying Control Alt Delete. Okay, but Control Alt Delete won't work. Okay, you have to use a key combination of right control plus delete. Right control plus delete, guys. Only two buttons. One is right control, not left control also. We will have two control buttons on your keyboard. Everyone can see now. Please check two control buttons. One is at left side corner, leftmost corner. Second one is at rightmost corner, guys. There are two control buttons on your keyboard. Okay. Don't use left control button. Use right control button beside your arrow keys. Okay. And use your delete button. Two keys at a time. Control, right control plus delete. You will get login screen, guys. Or else still you are facing issue. I don't know how to log in. Okay, let me escape. It will be locked again. View, sorry, input. You can see input here, right? Input, keyboard, insert, Control Alt Delete, guys. That also you can go for it. If you don't understand this shortcut, the simple shortcut is go to this. Okay, Control Shift Alt H. Control Shift Alt H. Right. So go to this VM. There you can see on top, you can see input, you can see keyboard, and you can use insert Control Alt Delete. This also you can use, guys. If you don't understand, if you don't remember the keyboard shortcut, okay. Administrator, once the installation is done, you have to set one strong password, right? That password you have to give here to log into this machine, guys. Password is very common. If you log into your phone, you have to provide password or pattern or your what we can say biometric. Okay, in the same way, if you want to log into your laptop, you have to provide PIN or biometric, whatever methods you are using. In the same way, I want to log into the server that I have created. So for that, if I want to log in, servers are very secured, right? So I have to give the password to log in. Otherwise, I cannot log into this server, guys. So which password I have to give, sir? Not new password. While installation, after installation, what password you gave, try to give the same password. Otherwise, you don't accept. Okay. So I just gave one password, sir, by default password, that is strong password. You have to give minimum 8, one caps, one small, one number you have to give. So once you logged into the server, this is how you can see the server, guys. This is how you can see the server. In the organization, you can see the servers like this only. Same as it is. If they are using Windows 2012 R2, you can see the same server, guys. Okay, so we have already discussed it, right? Windows Server versions: Windows 2000, 2003, 2005, 2005, 2005, Windows Server 2005, guys, right? 2008, 8 R2, 12 R2, Windows Server 2014, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2019, right? Correct, guys? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Windows
guys?
Server 2005 is there.
Okay,
No, sir.
you have to tell me. Is
No,
there or
sir.
2014
not
not
there?
there, sir.
Again,
2003, 2000, 2006,
again,
2008,
what other
R2,
version?
2012,
What other
2012,
version I
R2.
used?
2003.
12 R2.
I said two wrong versions: Windows Server 2005, Windows Server 2014.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
There are no
Yes.
versions, right? So sometimes
Yes.
interviewers will confuse like you all, like this also. Okay, done. So we have different versions: 12, 12 R2. So we are using 12 R2, guys. Okay, in the organization you might have seen 2016 Windows Server 2016. In the organization you can see Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2019. Okay, so you can also see Windows Server 2016. I'll tell you, there is another way, but whatever OS it is, that doesn't matter for us. At the end of the day, we have VM or not, we have the server or not. Okay, might be features, there is a little bit difference between Windows 2012 and Windows 2016. There is no major difference, guys. The look and feel is different, that's it. Right, this is my Windows server. Right, why I have configured this Windows server, guys? Can anyone tell me?
To install
Because
SQL
it
Server.
is a OS, sir.
Yes,
It's a
I
heart
want
of
to install,
system.
yeah, correct. I want to install SQL Server. So it is an application where I can install my application. I can install my application on any OS. Any OS means the supporting OS. 2012 R2 is a supporting OS for SQL Server 2017. That's why I have configured this Windows Server. In the organization also will do the same thing, guys. Agree?
Sir,
Right.
excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Tell me, please.
So did we install Windows Server 2012 or 12 R2, sir?
12 R2, you can see here, right? 12 R2.
So
Windows
as you
Server
said,
2012
last
R2
year's
data center edition.
2012 you said, but it is showing 2012 R2.
That's not an issue. I didn't tell 2012 R2. I just tell you casually. I told you 2012. Okay.
Yes, yes, you told that.
Yeah.
But it is showing to 2012 R2,
Yes,
right?
2012 R2 only. Any issues now?
Install 2012, right? So you said different servers there, 8 R2, 12
Yes,
R2.
yes.
But we installed 12 R2, but it is showing 12 we installed 2012
Okay.
only.
No,
But
we
it
did
is
not
showing
install
2012 R2.
2012. We installed 2012 R2 only. Casually, I said 2012. That's it.
Okay, so
Okay, we installed 2012. If you install 2012, you will get 2012. If you install 2012 R2, you will get 2012 R2. Okay. So it's not like if you install 2012, I'll get 2012 R2. No, I installed 2012 R2 only. Casually, I said 2012. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any doubts? Right.
Sir,
So,
I have one doubt, sir.
yes, please.
Actually, I mean, while creating a virtual machine, we shared memory from RAM and hard disk,
Yes,
right?
it's correct.
So, but we are not able to see in physically, like in my OS. I mean, I mean, because of it is a virtual machine, we are not able to see, or what, sir?
No, what you want to see in the physical machine?
Actually, from E drive, I given 25 GB.
Very good.
Memory.
Very
and
good.
RAM 2 GB I given. What I thought means while creating that, after that, before while creating that 180 GB is there.
Okay.
So I given 25 GB na.
Okay.
So I thought it will be deducted from my E drive space.
Okay.
But
now how
again,
much is it?
180 GB still it is there, sir.
Not 180 GB. At least you can see difference. Okay. If you install Windows operating system, at least you can see some difference. At least 5 GB you can see difference. Why? Because I'll tell you. Okay. At the time of creating the VM, we have selected an option called dynamically allocated. So if you choose dynamically allocated, how much you used in the 25 GB, that much only will be deducted, guys. Okay. If you choose fixed size, then you can see the difference. That 25 GB will be deducted from your 180 GB. So there is no chance it cannot take resources from other laptop as you have created your VM in your own laptop. It has to take the RAM from your laptop. It has to take the storage from your laptop only. As you have selected dynamically allocated, that's why you cannot see big difference. If you started using the machine, then if the file is increasing, initially the file can be, see guys, I'll show you, okay? Don't confuse here. Let me go to this machine. Let me go to this machine, right? So in which location it was stored, guys? In which location it was stored? Let me go to the settings.
E drive, sir, I think.
Okay. Let me go to the storage. I can see batch 42 VDI. Where it is?
See.
E batch 42 VMs batch 42, right? Let me go to that path, guys. Let me go to that path. E drive batch 42 VMs batch 42 VMs batch 42. This is my file. How much it occupied? 8 GB. As of now, it
8 GB.
occupied 8 GB. Agree? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
8 GB. You can see if you select the file, you can see the size here, 8 GB, 7.94 GB. It can, this, whenever I'm started loading the softwares inside this VM, like SQL Server installation, some other stuff, the file will be increased, guys, from 8 GB to 10 GB, 12 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, 25 GB. As we gave 25 GB, it can increase up to 25 GB. That's it. When you create the machine for the first time, you don't see any big difference, but when you started installing the operating system and all, it will slowly consume. That's why you don't see big difference. As you choose
Yes.
dynamically allocated, it will take slowly. Whenever there is a need, then only it will take the storage from your E drive. Agree?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
If you choose fixed size, if you have a doubt, select fixed size for one machine, check the difference.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No doubt it.
Yes.
Understood.
Yeah. Anand, what is your
Yeah.
question?
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Sir, why in the organization we are connecting through VM, not through direct laptop? I'll explain, Anand. Okay, once we discussed about remote desktop connections, then you can came to know. Okay, what is remote desktop connections? Why will connect? See, your question is not proper. First of all, okay, why in the organization we are connecting through VM, not through direct laptop? We are connecting to VM, not through. We are connecting to VM. We have to connect to the server, guys. Okay, we have to connect to the server from your direct laptop. Okay, I'll explain again with the diagrams and all, nothing to worry. So is it clear, guys? As of now, any doubts, any challenges, please let me know. If you have any doubts, any challenges, please let me know. I'll explain again. Please raise, lower your hands, guys. Those who already raise your hands, please lower your hands now. You can see lower hand symbol. Just click on that lower hand symbol. That's it. That's fine. Just a minute. Done. Okay. Fine. Sanjay Sharma, what happened? Your audio is not connected. Sanjay, can you hear me? That's fine. Right? Okay, chalo. So what we can do now? So I just logged into the server, guys. This is the way to log into the server directly. This is called direct connection. In the organization, we don't have access to log into the servers directly. Windows people or VM team only can have access to the servers to log into the servers directly. As a DBS, okay, we don't have complete control on the machine, guys. In the VM level, we don't have complete control. Windows team will have complete control. We'll simply get RDP access, guys. Means we can connect to the server in two ways, right? One is direct connection like this. Second one is remote connections, guys. RDP. I'll explain RDP now. So once you just connect to the server, there is one pop-up like this. You can see the pop-up like this. Every server, you will get this pop-up in the organization also. This is called server manager. This is just a tool, guys. This is just a tool. If you want to install any extra softwares and all, you can install from this server manager. Of course, we are going to use the server manager to install .NET framework and to install different softwares. I'll tell you how to use it. If this was popped up, if it was opened automatically, close this server manager, no issues. Okay, you can happily close it. This is the Windows server, guys. In the organization also, you can see the server, okay, like this only, right? So how can I connect in a different way? I want to connect to the server remotely. How to connect to the server remotely, guys? First of all, let me explain what is remote connections. Okay, let me explain what is remote connections. So what I can do, Control Shift on. Right. So now let me open Draw.io, guys. I'm going to use this website to draw the diagrams and all. Okay, Draw.io. Let me open this. So what is meant by remote connections? Create new diagram, and this is for batch 42, right? Batch 42. Blank diagram is fine. Listen carefully, guys. And if it is showing less than 1 minute, I'll reconnect again. Please use the same link to rejoin. Okay. Done. So this is your organization. Imagine this is your organization. This is your company. Okay. Right. And let me go for one Windows server, guys. One Windows server. Okay. Just a minute. Let me pull this Windows server. This is the Windows server. In this Windows server, imagine SQL Server is installed. So this is my Windows server, guys. Okay. This is my Windows server. So Windows server will have a name, right? Name or IP address. You can connect to the servers, guys. You can connect to the servers using name, or you can connect to the servers using IP address. IP address means simply it's a kind of a phone number that we are going to call, right? In the same way, as of now understood, IP address is a kind of a phone number. We can call to that person using phone number, right? In the same way, we can connect to any server using IP address also. Every server will have its unique IP address. Each server will have its unique IP address. Okay. So server name, imagine the server name is Amazon server. Okay, Amazon. This server is having one IP address, guys, 10.0.0.25. Imagine. So I can use 25, right? Let me type 25. Okay. I can use my server name or I can use my IP address to connect to the server, guys. Agree? Right. So I told you one way is directly you can log in, that it is not possible as a DBS. We cannot log into the servers directly. Okay. So we have to log into the servers using RDP. So I'll tell you what if you are doing work from office, what if you are doing work from home, how to connect to the servers, I'll tell you. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
We are
Less than
about
1 minute.
less than
Yeah,
1 minute. Yeah.
Please reconnect, guys. Please use the same link to join.